What's up, YouTube? Abandoned boys out here at an old abandoned drive-in. I'm out here ready to get a good explore in this place. Come with me on this journey. Let's get it. This place has been closed for years. Wow. It's crazy. Look at this shit. Get out of here. I don't think this place has been explored, to be honest. I might be the first. Like, literally the first. Man, the boys out here exploring an old abandoned drive-in. Looks like might be a path through here, but it's down here. It sits like right off a main road, so I think I'm gonna take my chances with this path. But I'm gonna go down this way first. Wow. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody had a great day. Oh, this thing is like, this used to be all road. This is crazy. Like, appreciate everybody in the live stream. Much love to Mama Rose. Mama Rose. And Mona. Mama Rose and Mona. Shout out to Mama Rose and Mona. Make sure you check their channels out. Man, the boys out here at what used to be a drive-in. Now it's a bush in. Trying to find the best path through here. Make sure ain't no lakes out here now. I ain't been out here. Never been out here before, so I don't know. How's everybody tonight? Hope everybody had a great day. Maybe y'all out filming like me, who knows, but just know that I love you guys, all my fans. Wow, this is nuts, but beautiful. Trying to. Whoa, I just stepped in a hole. I don't know what was in. I don't want to know what was in there. I really don't. Holy cow. Like, I don't think this place has been explored. I really don't. As you can see, this thing is totally surrounded with oh, that knee just went out. Bad knees. Gotta watch these bad knees. Make sure I know my way back. Okay. Whoa, what was that? What does keep like touching me? Like, what? Chill out with the touching me though. Like, what is that? Oh, it's a drop off right there. Hold on, let me see what we can do. See what we got here. Holy cow. I'll make sure this is a stable ground right here, because I'm seeing a drop off up here with dunes and what is all this? Like, this is craziness. Like, what was that used to be? Like, what? It must have been when all the cars parked. How do I get down there? I think over here, man. Hey, what was that? Chill out with the touching sticks and stones. Let me make my own path through here. Like, for real. Okay, where does that drop out? Let's make sure we know where we stepping for the moment, you know. I don't want to go over no hill and break a neck or nothing. Just keep a close eye on where we stepping, baby. Cause I think this is the first time somebody's explored here. The BOYZ the first in this piece. Yeah, we out here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. That went down a little low. Hold on, wait a minute. Let's see what we got here. Let's go a little bit this way. Then swing a little bit. Let me see. Because that ground ain't looking too, yeah, I mean. Hold on now. Where's that drop off? We need to know where that drop off is. Can't see nothing through all these twigs and it's twigs for days. Hello? Am I out here? I got the spotlight on you. If you are, I'ma see you. Believe that, but we need to find out where the drop off is. Okay, let's move you out the way. All right, we got stable ground. Let's see, let's move you out the way. More stable ground. Okay, let's keep pushing a little bit. What we got here? What's that? Let's keep moving and push it a little bit, see what you working with. Let's move you out the way. Then we're gonna move you out the way. Oh, what was that? Ooh, a grasshopper, beautiful grasshopper. You see it? Come here, buddy. We see you, buddy. You can't hide. Yeah, we got the light on you, bro. I ain't gonna kill you. I'm not just a giant. I'm a giant with a purpose. Watch this hill, though. See how far we going. Let's see what's in our midst. See what we got here. Anybody peekabooing out here? You know, people be peekabooing on me, boy. Never fails. Okay, let's take a look. Let me see. Am I gonna be able to get back up? Yeah, I'll be able to get back up. Let me make sure I know where I'm going down at. That's what I need to do. Cause this is a lot. All right, let's make our way. Abandoned. Oh. Getting real. Oh, wait a minute. What we got here? What we got down here? I'm gonna get ambushed by no raccoon battalion. Am I out here? What's happening? Woo woo. Shout out to my boy Colin Butters. What's up? Oh, what is that? A rock. Oh, okay. Oh. Colin Butters, what's up, bro? Shout out to you and your wife, man. Love the quiz y'all did the other day. That was fun. Smart and witty thinking. Oh, we're gonna take this little path. Better get out that way so we can go see what's cracking this way. Like I said, this is the first time somebody's explored out here, so who knows what we're gonna see or what's gonna see us. Oh, wow. What is it with the spiders, bro? Like, are you kidding me right now? Look at this monster. Nah, I just ate a bug, and that was not cool. Wow, look at that monster. Yeah, like this is crazy. Like this whole place is super grown in, but we got let me see if we can manage to work way around this monster. See where you hooked up at. Let's see. See if you got any buddies down here, you know what I mean? You gonna watch it? Let me see. Yeah, ooh, good giggly wig. What is that on your backside? What are you eating? Oh, okay, I feel you. Bedtime snack, okay. Yeah, he's eating. Oh, bedtime snack. I ain't mad at you, bro. I ain't mad at you. Then you got another little partner waiting on you. Yeah, it's a bad time for y'all boys, but I don't want to mess you up. So how am I get around? Go this way. Can I? Got grip. I don't want to follow. Dang. Yeah, he looking like, boy, if you don't get up out of my business, what's gonna be a problem? Let me make this jump real quick. I don't want to slip and fall and make it's overs. That's rock trying to slip. Let's get on around you, big dog. Whoa, and I'm slipping. get on around, big dog. Yeah, let's get on around. Oh, where'd he go? He's still there. Yeah, let's get on around, big dog. Oh, oh. Whew. Wow. Look at this. This is crazy. This must be where everybody used to park. But they got groovy out here. Groovy groove out here. What's that? Hello? There we go, hearing stuff. Always hearing stuff. Always hearing stuff. Oh, what is this? This used to be a lake or something? Super muddy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What is this? I feel like cement. Look at this. That's crazy. Whoa, what was that? Hold on. Yeah, this is, nobody's been out here for years. What is up with the mud or whatever that is? Feels horrible on the feet. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is where the park. This probably was one of the big movie projection screens. Was probably right there. Yeah. Now what's out here? Desolation. Desolation. But the Bandon boys are here. Bandon drive-in. Oh my goodness, muddy buddies. That's cool because I get all that grass to wipe it off when I'm on my way. So we good. Like, this is crazy. This is like a barren wasteland. Like, what? Really? Like, for real, for real? This place is huge. It has, I guess it had a lot of big projection screens out here. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's a butterfly. I thought it was a bat. Flying kind of close there, jabroni. We got jabronis out here, you know? And this place goes on forever. Had to park in this guy's, what was that? Had to park in this guy's lot. I told him I'd be about 25 minutes. He's like, okay. Wow, this is crazy. Yep, this is where all the cars used to park. Bandon drive-in. You can only imagine what went on out here. If you know what I mean. Whoa, what was that? This place is like right off a main road, but you couldn't tell. Definitely couldn't tell. So overgrown in here. It's beautiful though. Like, it's crazy. Thanks for taking this journey with me, YouTube. My YouTube fam, love everybody. Keep doing what y'all doing. We all family. We gonna make it. We all gonna make it, don't worry. All you gotta do is stay positive. That's all you gotta do. Whoa. Like, what is this, a drop off or something? I'm hearing like water or something maybe. Or stuff that likes to be in water, like frogs or something. Whoa. Where's this lake? Oh. Anybody out here, make yourself known. I'm just an explorer. We don't mean no harm. Whoa. Hello? The light will see you. Trust me. What is this part? I think this is where people used to drive in right here. Yep. Because they go the main road right there. Yep, people used to drive in right here. Yep. Sure did. Right there. Main road. Gate. Wow, this place is... Whoa, what is that? Hearing stuff. What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's day went well. You know your boys out here doing what I do. Loving my fans, loving my people. Support me all the time. And worry about my well-being. Definitely appreciate that. Definitely appreciate it. Definitely heartfelt the way y'all treat me. And I love it. And I love you guys. And I always will. I will never forget none of you guys, ever. Hold me to that. Never. Thank you for all y'all do. Really appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart. Definitely. A little path up in here. What do we have here? Oh, looks like a little path. Does it lead anywhere? What is that? That looks like. Does that lead anywhere? Looks like it doesn't lead anywhere. Look like somebody purse and a, I don't know what that is, a hat and a few items. Whoa, what was that? Hello? Come on, don't start getting kooky out here. Just doing a nice explore. Let's not get the kookiness going. Jeez. What is it with me, dark, and spiders? I don't understand. Like, I just don't understand. What is it? What's down here? What's down here? Yeah, this place is huge. This place goes on forever. Definitely gonna have to come back and get in these woods and check out some of these more trails if I can. Just gotta watch the time limit because I don't want to get towed. But I wonder if I can go this way. Can I get back? What you think? This way or I'm gonna go back this way. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the way I know because I don't want to go and get ambushed again. You know me and get an ambush, YouTube. You know how that goes with me. It's always somebody lurking. Always. But you know your boys out here for you. Love y'all. Love my family. Always. Wait a minute, let me check back. Yeah, I'm about to walk into a whole puddle because of y'all. Love y'all. And we're going to keep bringing these videos to y'all to the end of days, baby. Did I bring my... I didn't bring my glove. I didn't bring my tactical gloves. Doggone it. I'm going to have to go bare fist. Fisticuffs. Yeah, we're going to start making my way out because we at the almost a 20-minute mark and I don't want dude having my car towed. You know how that goes. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come back here. This place is beautiful. I love it. Definitely a nice explorer. Definitely. Just to know this used to be an old drive-in is just tight in itself. It's, you know, everybody loves the drive-in. Don't they? I know I did. That's back when they used to hook the speaker onto the car. Now it goes to the radio. When I used to go, they used to have the speaker hooked to the side of your car. And your car don't go dead. The smart way. And we used to camp out on top of the car. Yeah, I'm watching my back. Always watching my back. Always. If I don't, who will? But yeah. Had to come out here and check this place out. Definitely want to maybe come back. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, this place is definitely pretty awesome. Pretty freaking awesome. Just to know this was an old theater, drive-in, like with projection screens everywhere. Like I said, this is right off a main road. Those are all the lights you see from the road. But it's deep in here, like it's deep. Now let me find the path backwards to the back this way. Gotta watch that. Well, we got our marker, that big spider. Know exactly where he's at. But yeah, Abandoned Boys out here. Oh, the mushy. I'm back in the mushy. Oh, you see this stuff? It's like straight mush. Watch when I step in it in a little bit. You would definitely see Bigfoot out here if he was out here. I should have made a big footprint and said, oh my goodness, Bigfoot's out there. That'd have freaked you out. Oh, wait a minute. Let me scan the perimeter. Boy could be sneaking up on me. I'm just sitting there yapping. Boy be creeping up on me and choke me out. Leave me out here dead. Nobody would know. I think y'all would probably start calling and letting people know something ain't right. Abandoned Boys ain't been posting videos. Something ain't right. Cause you know I'm always on the grind. The grind don't stop. The grind don't stop. Okay, now which way did we, so, had to be, Big Dog gotta be right here, if I ain't mistaken. He gotta be right here. Yep, there he is. See, you a marker for me, Big Dog. Appreciate you, bro. Save a boy life out here. Let me take a peek at you, though. Let's get a little peek at Big Dog. Let's tune in to Big Dog a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, Big Dog ain't to be played with. He like, yeah, boy, you get too close, I'm out here, I'ma holler at you. Yeah, we got a little nature going on out here. Whoa, what was that? Hello? Yeah, I'm hearing stuff. Like always. Let me get this camera right. All right, let's get past Big Dog. Where you at, player? All right, let's get this like this. Bop, bop, and then we gonna go. Boy, you tearing meat out of something. You gonna call something else. Boy, you gonna eat good tonight. Steak and eggs in the morning. Flies and toast. Boy, it's over for you, bro. Let me get on past Big Dog here, because he ain't to be played with today. Okay, now, let's work our way on back this way. Up here. We'll go this way. Looks like the path is right there. If it ain't, it's about to be. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh, snap. I fell. Wow. Did y'all see that on camera? Wow. Tell me I didn't see that. Please tell me I didn't see that. How real can it get on the ground? Pants on the ground. Oh, that's the hill steeper than I thought. Yeah, I dropped. I fell. Y'all got it. Bloopers. We've got bloopers. I gotta get through this grass because I don't like tall grass at all. At all. Definitely something bit me. Sneaky. Well, I always hear stuff when I'm leaving. Jeez. Making my way back to the front of this place. But yeah, it's been a real one. Definitely check it out, this place. Let me know in the comments if I should come back and go deeper, because it goes pretty deep in here. Let me know. Let me know. Oh, I want to give a shout out to my mom, Miss Perkins, Michelle Perkins. Love you, mother. I'm done for the night. I'm heading in. Love you. Guess I'm going the right way. I'm just going, like I ain't even tripping, just moving. Where's the gate? Oh yeah, I went the totally wrong way. Gate is right there or back this way. Hello? Watch my back, cause boy, people be lurking. You know they be lurking. I mean, look at this place. Like, what is going on out here? Like, really though, like, something going on out here. You tell me. But I'm gonna make my way out of here. That's what I am doing. Where's the gate at? Is it down there or over here? Oh, here go the gate right here. No, the gate's over there. I'm way in. I'm tripping. Watch my back coming up out of here. Got to watch your back at all times. 10 HUD at all times, baby. Abandoned boys' way of life. Always watch your back. Never slack. Oh. Got a closet here. People, somebody been chilling. Yep, somebody been chilling. But yeah, making my way out of here. As you can see, the main road's right here. All right, YouTube, we did it. We just explored a abandoned drive-in. Pretty cool. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I should come back, or if you think I shouldn't. Let me know. Just let me know what you think, and we'll take it from there. But remember, stay positive, stay focused, and always keep exploring. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.